What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. Without further ado, let's get it started. So here you see a downtrend. Okay, I missed the entry on this one. I'm sorry. Okay, here you see the downtrend. I missed this entry. Okay, we have a engulf, we have continuation sign. So yes, let's add some pairs. Euro USD and USD CAD. Okay, so okay, we have a level here. We had a uptrend which became this ranging market, and this is still uptrend though, but we have a 3-bar up, and also I'm gonna go with sellers right here, okay, for 1 minute, because this is opposite of the trend, but I took it. The reason why I took this trade is because we have a 3-bar up pattern, and it basically gives us a retracement candle as a red one, and also we have this level breakout, which was a pretty strong level, and without a breakout with less than 50% of this candle, so I'm expecting a red candle here, but let's see what is going to happen. And also this is pretty strong uptrend, so if this gives me something like this, I can go with buyers for 2 candles, because this is continuation sign. Okay, 3-bar up, then we have continuation sign to the upside, so I go with buyers here, no problem. Okay, my first trade was basically against the trend. I don't usually take trades against the trend, but this one I just took to see what is going to happen. So no problem. I made it up. I placed 2 trades here because of that loss. So we're good. Okay, that was a win. Here we have a downtrend again, and we have a level, which is right here, and I can wait for this candle to close on crossing this level, then I can go with sellers. And also we have a trend line. If you look closer, there's a trend line, and we have a confluence of levels here. If the price somehow reaches here, there's a perfect point to enter for trades. Okay, nice. I will take 2 trades on this chart. One of them is gonna be my next sell trade, if this closes right on this level, please. Okay, let's go. I took this trade, but it closed under this level, so let's see. And also this is a outside bar, so there's high probability of giving me a retracement. Okay, okay, this is a win, and we have a large candle which comes back to this previous level, and there's a high probability of having a green candle, but I'm not gonna go against the trend, so I will wait for the next candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is also downtrend, and I will not go with buyers here, even though this is a engulfing with retracement, but I'm not gonna go with buyers here because it's against the trend. So okay, we have uptrend, outside bar retracement, We could go with sellers, but this is uptrend, so I will not go against the trend. Nice. Didn't break the previous candle's wick, so it's a sign that you know, we can go up, but if I want to enter, I should enter with the marginal safety, but I don't want to enter against the trend, so okay, we have a level here. Which previously got broken with this candle and reversed for one candle. Let's see if this one is going to break this level or not. Okay. It didn't fully break the level, so yes, we have an bullish engulfing here, but this is still against the trend if I go with buyers, so I will wait for the best opportunity here. I will trade the trend line here if it goes up a little more. Okay, I go with sellers right here for 2 candles, and I mean this candle, this trade will close with the close of the next candle. Let's see. This is basically 3 bar up, and this is a downtrend, so 3 bar up might give us a retracement. That's why I took this trade. Let's see. That's what I was looking for. Beautiful. Okay, we have finally broke this level, and it's giving us a retracement, but we didn't take the trade. So okay, we have a level here up there, and we can go with buyers. If this candle closes somewhere here and the next candle comes and closes here, that would be perfect opportunity to go with buyers. Let's see. Okay, this is another win. Okay, it didn't even touch this level. No problem. My next buyer's entry is here. And also we have here. Okay. We have an engulfing pattern, and we are waiting for the retracement here. So, but this is pretty strong levels. But this is also a strong downtrend. Okay, come down. I think I can go with buyers here. Let's go. Because this is pretty strong buyers entry and from this level. And I feel like it's gonna go up and with no retracement. Let's see what will happen here. Okay, no problem. This buyer's entry was pretty much, you know, fake volume, so that was a loss. And again, strong sellers. Okay, let's see what is happening here. We have 3-bar down, and if it goes up, we can go with sellers. Please go up a little more. Nah, I lost opportunity. Okay. Okay, I want to go with sellers right after this candle. Okay, that was another win. So I guess that's enough for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my live trades, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button. Peace out.